and welcome to another video. As you can see by the title, it's an unboxing video. My mom sent me a birthday box and it took a little while to get here, but it got delivered today. So I went ahead and went through it with my mom like I always do, just to make sure that everything is in the box. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that my mom got me in my birthday box. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the food items that my mom got me. A couple of these, there's doubles of. One I've already opened. It's the Jolly Rancher original flavor gummies, which I've never had before. I went ahead and tried them. I can show you guys like what they look like. I haven't had a purple one, so let's try a purple one. Yep, just as good as all the others. But as soon as I opened this in the box with my mom, I was like, I have to try one. Jolly Ranchers are one of my favorite candies that I missed from the United States. Now these my mom sent 3 of. They are nerd clusters. They're a lot like the nerd ropes, which, if I can remember which video it was, I think it's the foodie day in Paris. We went to the American store and I got one of these and Tom tried it and he loves it. So my mom got 3 bags of these for us to share. Are these nerd jelly beans. My mom and I discovered these one Easter. They could only be found in certain Rite Aids, so it was really hard, but now they are year-round. So it is a crunchy shell outside with the nerds and then a soft chewy inside, which is the jelly bean. Now my mom sent a couple different versions of this. One of the boxes kind of got crushed, so it kind of spilled, but I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the box. It's a little destroyed, but it is the, oh, I just dropped one and I just got creamer all over me now. But yeah, they got crushed in the box, so gonna have to clean that up, but we'll do that later. The Hazelnut International Delight creamers. And lastly, she sent the Coffee Mate, just the original coffee creamer. These 2 versions, which are the Coffee Mate, one is French vanilla and one is vanilla caramel work situation. She got me this little tumbler. It has this really cool like sliding top and it's clear, but it has little hedgers on it. I love hedgehogs, as you guys know, so yeah, that's really cool. So thanks Mom for this. Little thing to send her is the Hershey's Cocoa. Thomas and I last night were just talking about the Hershey syrup. If I could find a picture, I'll put the picture of what I'm talking about. They have it in strawberry as well, but we used to use this for like sundaes. You would pour this on your ice cream or you'd pour it into your milk to make chocolate milk. We didn't really use this one, but this one is easier to send because it's a powder and it's just as good. But yeah, so maybe I'll make a cake or something with it too. Who knows? The next item my mom got me, I was unable to find when we went to Costco. If you guys haven't watched my Costco vlog, I'll go ahead and link that down below. She sent pancake mix and she actually got it at Costco, ironically. But yes, we use this to make Yorkshire puddings. We use this to make pancakes, waffles, any of those kind of treats. We use this pancake mix, so I'm really happy she sent it. And it's not like too huge of a bag that we won't be able to like put it in our cabinet. So yeah, maybe I'll treat Thomas to some pancakes tomorrow morning. Lastly, for the food items, my mom sent this. You guys know that my mom surprises me with this all the time, is her spaghetti sauce. I got 6 jars this time. As you can see, I am starting to use her jars that she sends me for decorations. So yeah, I have 6 more things of spaghetti sauce, which I'm very excited to eat. The next section that we're gonna go into is just little bits and bobs that she got me. Is this dry brush. It's the EOS Tools. You can find it at Target. You're supposed to use it before you get in the shower, so it's an exfoliator, but apparently like supermodels use it. Who knows? But apparently it's like Gigi Hadid's like secret weapon or whatever. Another beauty item that my mom got me is this box of beauty sponges. So there's like flat sponges, some round sponges, and some just regular beauty sponges. This item isn't really in theme with like a July birthday, but my mom did get this and I think it's a super cool item. It is the Halloween pumpkin carving kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. So it's this kit. It comes and it's like has a zipper on it and it's just really tiny, so you can just put it away in your closet for the year. So it has all of the tools for when you do pumpkin carving. The next item my mom got us is this picnic blanket. So it's still in the plastic, but it's just a fold-up picnic blanket. It has the classic red and white gingham, which is really cute. In the theme of picnics, my mom got us this picnic cooler backpack. So it's a backpack, it has a bottle opener on it. It also has this front pouch which has elastic on it to make it tighter, but it also has a front pouch where you can keep like silverware and napkins and everything. And then in the center, you have this part to store any loose small items and, you know, just a regular like you would find in a lunchbox, like the, what do you call this? The insulation. So my mom thought it was quite nice, so you could put like a bottle of champagne or wine and put like a good sized picnic in this without having to carry like an actual picnic basket or anything. The next couple of items aren't really for me, they're for Tom's family, but my mom sent them for his parents and his sister. So she first got these Mandalorian tea towels. It says protect, attack, snack, which is really cute. It has Grogu on it. Oh, I'll show you this other side without the tag. So this side, it says protect, attack, snack. Another item for Tom's mom is these green sage tea towels. So it has like the, not the ingredients, what do you call it? Like the seasonings. So it has like basil and bay leaf and thyme, so all of the leaves that you use for cooking. These tea towels are for Tom's sister and it says love proudly. So that's really pretty. And the next items are face masks that my mom sent me. So we have this one, which looks like the Haunted Mansion wallpaper. I think this one's super cute and very Halloween-y. So hopefully September, October, I can wear this one. I would like to think that we aren't gonna be wearing masks soon, but I don't really see that in the near future, but we'll see. Then we have this pretty one, which is the Beauty and the Beast opening scene mural thingamabob. And we have this one, it says Evil Queen, and it kind of looks like a tattoo parlor thing. I don't know, you know what I mean. This one is really cute. It has Mickey's and the American flag on it. Just in case anybody cannot tell from a mile away that I'm an American, I might as well strap it to my face and let them know. This one I think is really cute and very original Walt Disney kind of, so it's the, what do you call these? The original posters for the movies. So we have like the Jungle Book and Pinocchio, Sleeping Beauty's on there. And this one is super cute. I think I have a shirt that I know I can wear with this, but it's Toy Story 4. So there is, there's Bunny and Ducky and the aliens, Buzz, Rex. Let's go ahead and get started into the clothing section. Now my mom just got me a bunch of basics, which you guys have probably just watched my last video, which was a basics haul, but she just gets me these and then I can just wear them, and when they, you know, start to die, you can just kind of get rid of them. Next, we're into tank tops. Now these two items are the same but in two different colors. I don't really know what to call this. I'm gonna call it a scrunch shirt. So we have this yellow one. It reminds me, I think of early 90s with this, but my mom said it was from the 70s. So these scrunch shirts that are apparently coming back. So I have one in yellow and one in white. So this next item my mom got me, she thought it was really funny. So we have this one, it says, treat your mama right. So everybody, treat your mom right. But we have this one, it says love wins, and it's almost like neon lights, but yeah, it's in the rainbow colors, so you know, love wins. And the last item of clothing that my mom got, she picked up this cheetah sundress. It's really cute. It is just below the knee length kind of dress, and it has these really pretty buttons on it. As we all know, my mom picks out really cute dresses for me all the time. I love a sundress because you can wear it in the summer, and then you can even wear it into fall because you can wear tights with it and a jean jacket. So this last item that I am going to show you guys is actually the item that my mom had said, you know, what do you want for your birthday? And honestly, I was like, I don't know what I want for my birthday. I'm very excited to show you guys. I got this Disney Loungefly backpack. It's so cute. It's Mickey, and he's a little bat, and so he's he's kind of been a little squished in the bag, but so I will show you guys. It still has all of the plastic on it, but he has these little wings that go up and down, which is so cute. And then he has this little vampire face, and you can't see it, but he, oh no, I can't be able to show you. His face glows in the dark. He's just so cute. Okay, that concludes this unboxing. I'm just gonna continue to hug him, don't mind me. So yeah, this concludes the unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and be sure to check out my Instagram if you don't already. I always post when I have a video coming out. I will see you guys in my next video.